CompTIA A Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.6. Given a scenario, deploy and configure multifunction devices, printers, and settings. Printer security. Printers, like other devices connected to a network such as computers, servers, and routers, can be vulnerable to security breaches if not properly managed. This vulnerability arises from the fact that modern printers are no longer standalone devices, but integral components of complex network infrastructures. As such, they are subject to many of the same security risks and threats as other network-connected devices. Luckily, we have a few countermeasures available to combat these threats. User authentication is one of those countermeasures. It serves as the frontline defense against unauthorized usage and helps maintain the confidentiality and integrity of printed materials. Implementing user authentication requires users to verify their identity before they can access print resources. This verification process typically involves entering a username and password, similar to logging into a computer or online account. By requiring this authentication step, organizations can ensure that only individuals with valid credentials can utilize the printing functionalities. Another important measure in printer security is badging. Badging systems are sophisticated solutions that seamlessly integrate with printer functionalities, leveraging employees' physical badges or ID cards to regulate access to printing resources. At its core, a badging system functions as a gatekeeper, allowing entry to printer functionalities, such as initiating or releasing a print job, only to those possessing valid credentials in the form of an employee badge or ID card. When an employee approaches the printer to initiate a print job, they are required to present their badge or ID card to the badging system. This action triggers a verification process wherein the system cross-references the presented credentials with a centralized database containing authorized user information. Next, we have audit logs. Audit logs function as a vigilant watchdog that meticulously monitors printer activity and provides invaluable insights into usage patterns and potential security incidents. These comprehensive logs meticulously document a wealth of critical information, including details such as who initiated a print job, the specific document printed, the timestamp of the printing activity, and the originating device. One of the primary functions of audit logs is to provide administrators with a comprehensive trail of printer usage, allowing them to track and monitor printing activities across the organization. By documenting every print job, audit logs offer a transparent view into the utilization of printer resources, enabling administrators to identify trends, analyze usage patterns, and allocate resources efficiently. Then there is secured printing. This measure is designed to prevent sensitive documents from being prematurely released into the printer's output tray. This functionality ensures that print jobs remain securely stored within the printer until the authorized user is physically present to authenticate. This can be tied in with badging or require a simple PIN or password. The primary objective of secured printing is to mitigate the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive documents. Instead of immediately printing documents upon submission, secured printing temporarily holds print jobs in a protected queue or virtual print vault within the printer's memory or storage. This prevents confidential documents from being left unattended in the output tray, where they could potentially be intercepted, viewed, or taken by unauthorized individuals. Now, for one last threat countermeasure, you must keep the printer's firmware up to date. Printers are frequently overlooked when it comes to updates. Administrators may prioritize securing more prominent network devices, leaving printers vulnerable to exploitation. Without regular firmware updates that likely contain patches for known vulnerabilities, printers will be susceptible to malicious attacks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.